Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 26. For the previous video, please check the description box, the link will be there. So in term number 26. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 26. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. Or you can also visit our website, the website link is also in the description box. So here in sum number 26, here A equal to this one, B equal to this one and C equal to this one. So first you have to find out the order of the matrix. So 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2 and then 3 cross 2. Next thing, here you have to prove that AB equal to AC. So I hope you can easily find out A into C matrix. That will be 6, 7, 18, 21. That means here first you have to multiply this row with this column. Then again this row with this column. Then you will get 6 and 7 respectively. After that, this row, this column 18 and this row, this one, it will be 21. As same as you can easily find out AB. So sorry, this one is AC and this one is AB. So here you will get the same matrix. So here AB equal to AC, here B not equal to C and A not equal to 0 is your answer. Next, sum number 27(1). Here A equal to this one and if A equal to 0. Fx equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. So as here fx equal to this one, then fa definitely a square minus 2a minus 3i. As I means identity matrix, so you can write down here 3i. So a square means you have to multiply this matrix with itself and you will get here 5, 4, 4, 5. Then 2a means 2 into this one. So 2, 4 minus 4, 2. Sorry, 4 and 2, not minus. And the last one 3i, that means 3003. Okay, so now 5 minus 2 minus 3, that equal to 0. 4 minus 4 minus 4, 0, that equal to 0. 4 minus 4 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2 minus 3, 0. So that equal to 0. So it's proved fa equal to 0. For the second one, I hope you can solve it. Now sum number 28. Here A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, I equal to, you know that, identity matrix. So first here A square equal to lambda A plus mu I. This is lambda and this is mu. You have to find out the value of lambda and mu here. So A square means multiply this one with this one and you will get 7, 12, 4, 7. Then lambda A means lambda into this one. So 2 lambda, 3 lambda, lambda and 2 lambda. Next mu I, that means mu 0, 0 mu. So now if you add these two matrix, you will get 2 lambda plus mu, 3 lambda, lambda and 2 lambda plus mu. So by comparing both sides, here lambda equal to 4 and as here 2 lambda plus mu equal to 7, then lambda equal to 4, so mu equal to minus 1. It's very easy. Now second one, you have to also find out the value of a cube minus 4a square plus a. So as you know that the value of a square, a cube means a square into a. So for the previous one, just write down the value of a square, that is 7, 12, 4, 7. Then a 2, 3, 1, 2. Then minus 4a square, that means 4 into this matrix. So 28, 48, 16 and 28 plus a means 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now find out the multiplication of these two matrix. You will get down this one. Okay, and then now you have to solve this one. So 26 minus 28 plus 2, that equal to 0. Similarly 45 minus 48 plus 3, that equal to 0 and the others will be 0. So this one equal to 0, it's proved. Now next, sum number 30. In sum number 30, let A and B are square matrices of same order. Does A plus B whole square, that equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, it's hold? If not, then why? So you know that a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Now a plus b into a plus b means a square, then plus ab, then b into a, ba plus b square. But it not equal to this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square, because this one is equal to with this one when ab equal to ba. But you know that as multiplication of matrices is not always commutative. Remember that is not always commutative. So here since AB not equal to BA, so this one not equal to this one. So it does not hold. Second one will be as same as the previous one. Here you have to show that AB whole square that equal to A square B square. You know that AB whole square means AB into AB. So here A into BA and then B. That is the associative law. You know that matrix multiplication is associative. So here you can write down A into AB into B. Okay. If AB equal to BA. Okay. If AB equal to BA, then you can write down this one equal to this one. Otherwise not possible. So now that's one equal to A into A, B into B, that means A square into B square. So AB whole square equal to A square into B square. It possible if AB equal to BA, otherwise not. Next, sum number 31. If A, B are square matrices of same order such that AB equal to BA. Okay, now it's given. AB equal to BA, it's given. Then prove that A plus B into A minus B. So whenever you multiply this one, A into A minus AB plus BA minus BB. So as here AB equal to BA, so that means this one will be cancel out. So A square minus B square. It's proved. Then next one, A plus B whole square that equal to A plus B into A plus B. So A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. You know that here AB equal to BA. So you can easily write down these two addition will be 2AB. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. It's also proved. Similarly, A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, as same as the previous one. Now the fourth one, A plus B whole cube. So A plus B whole cube means A plus B whole square into A plus B. And from the second one, as A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, multiply with A plus B. So just multiply A cube, then 2A square B plus AB square plus A square B plus 2AB square plus B cube. And as you know that AB equal to BA, so here 2A square B and that A square B will be 3A square B. AB square plus 2AB square that equal to 3AB square. So from that one you can easily prove this one. And number 5 will be as same as this one, here plus, here minus. So I hope you can solve it. Next, sum number 32 1. So here 1x1, 132, 251, 1532 and 12x that equal to 0. So first you have to do multiply these two matrix. This one is 3 by 3 and this one is 3 cross 1. So your matrix will be 3 cross 1. Okay. So whenever you multiply this matrix, so 1 into 1, 2 into 3 and 2 into x. Next one, 1 into 2, 2 into 5, x into x. As same as the last one also. So here 1x1, then 7 plus 2x, 12 plus x and 21 plus 2x. So now you have 1 cross 3 matrix, here 3 cross 1 matrix. So the final answer will be 1 cross 1 matrix. That means there will be only one element in the matrix. So here 7 plus x into 1, then 12 plus x into x and then 21 plus 2x into 1. Okay, and you have to add these three numbers. So now you will get x square plus 16x plus 28 that equal to 0 matrix. So this one equal to this one. So as this is a quadratic equation, you can factorize this equation by middle term factorization method. So x plus 14 into x plus 2 that equal to 0, and from that x equal to minus 2 or minus 14. Now next, sum number 33. Sum number 33, it's a lengthy problem. Okay, so please observe it very carefully. As here a equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 2, fx equal to x square minus 4x plus 7 and if a equal to 0, you have to prove that. So fa means a square minus 4a plus 7 1. Here a means this one, so you can easily find out a square. मैंने बहुत बार ऐसा प्रॉब्लम कर चुका हूँ, कैसे आपको a square निकालना है आपको मालूम ही है. So just find out a square. The result will be 1 12 minus 4 1. Okay. Next 4a. 4a means 4 multiply with each and every element. So 8 12 minus 4 8. Last one 7i. 7007. So whenever you add or subtract these three matrices, you will get 0 0 0 0, because as here 1 minus 8 plus 7, that equal to 0. Similarly others will be also 0. So that means first one is proved. Now from the second one, you have to also find out the value of a cube and a to the power 5. So as here this one equal to 0. So to find out the value of a cube, so first you have to make a equation where a cube will be there. So whenever you multiply this equation both side by a, then you will get a cube minus 4a square plus 7a, that equal to 0. Now here from this equation here a square equal to minus 7i plus 4a. Okay, a square equal to minus 7i plus 4a. Just substitute the value of a square here, 4a minus 7i plus 7a. Clear? Now multiply 4, you will get a cube minus 9a plus 28i, that equal to 0. And from that equation a cube will be here 9a minus 28i. So 9 into a and then 28i. And from that you can easily find out the value, that is minus 10, 27, minus 9, minus 10 is the matrix of a cube. Now the next thing, you have to find out the value of a5. So you have a cube minus 9a plus 28i, that equal to 0. So now if you multiply it by a square in both sides, then you will get a to the power 5 in the left hand side, and that one will be 9a cube minus 28a square I. So just put down the value of a cube here. You know the value of a cube matrix, and here 28, then a square. A square means 112 minus 4 1. Okay, so now multiply 9, here multiply 28, then whenever you subtract these two matrix, you will get this one. Okay, I hope you how to multiply 9 with this one and how to multiply 18 with this one, you know that, and also you have to subtract these two matrices. Now sum number 34. Sum number 34 is a different type of problem, because in this problem you have to solve this one with the help of mathematical induction from class 11. I hope you know that mathematical induction. So here a equal to 1 1 1 1. Prove that a to the power n equal to this one for all n belongs to n. ओके, सो मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन में पहले क्या करता है, पहले आपको n इक्वल टू 1 लेके इसको प्रूफ करना है. ओके, फिर रिजल्ट ट्रू आएगा. उसके बाद आपको n इक्वल टू m एक दूसरा एलिमेंट लेना है, उसी हिसाब से आपको फिर से प्रूफ करना है. अगर तब भी रिजल्ट सेम आया, फिर आपको क्या करना होगा, फिर आपको n इक्वल टू m प्लस 1 लेना है, और m प्लस 1 के लिए वो रिजल्ट अगर ट्रू आ गया आपका, तो आपका पूरा आंसर प्रूफ हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब 3 स्टेप में आपको दिखाना है. ओके, सो पहले हम लेते हैं n इक्वल टू 1. सो इफ n इक्वल टू 1, देन a1 विल बी 1 1 1 1. नाउ 1 मीन्स 2 to the power 0, or you can write down 2 to the power 0 as 1 minus 1. So all are here 1. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0. So here 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. अब मैंने ऐसा क्यों लिखा है, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पर जो मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है, उसी मैट्रिक्स का फॉर्मेट अगर सेम रखना है हमको, तो मुझे ऐसा ही लिखना होगा. इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पर 2 to the power 1 minus 1 लिया है. मैं तो यहाँ पर 3 to the power 4 to the power ले सकता हूँ, बट मुझे ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स सेम चाहिए, एकदम सेम टू सेम फॉर्मेट लाना है, इसीलिए मैंने सेम टू सेम लिखा है. So result is true for n equal to 1. Now n equal to m, which is belongs to a natural number. So that is a to the power m क्या होगा, अगर 1 के लिए 1 minus 1 है, so m के लिए m minus 1 होगा. So 2 to the power m minus 1, 2 to the power m minus 1, and all are same. Now we shall prove the result for n equal to m plus 1. अब देखिए हमको m plus 1 के लिए प्रूफ करना है. So a to the power m plus 1, आपको लॉस ऑफ इंडिसेस मालूम है, a to the power m dot a to the power 1. Okay, dot means here multiply. So you know the value of a to the power m, just put down the value and here the matrix a. Now इस दो मैट्रिक्स को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 to the power m minus 1 प्लस 2 to the power m minus 1. इस हिसाब से सारा एलिमेंट आपके पास आ गया. अब देखिए 2 to the power m minus 1 प्लस 2 to the power m minus 1, इसका मतलब दोनों सेम एलिमेंट को आपको ऐड करना है. तो दोनों सेम एलिमेंट को आपको ऐड करने का, और आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, आप यहाँ पर 2 इंटू वही वाला एलिमेंट लिख सकते हैं. अब देखिए यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दिखाते हैं. 2 to the power 2 प्लस 2 to the power 2 क्या आएगा आपका, 4 प्लस 4 दैट इक्वल टू 8. सो इसको प्लस करने के अलावा अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 इंटू 2 to the power 2, इट विल बी ऑल्सो 2 इंटू 4 दैट इक्वल टू 8. ओके, इसका मतलब जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है इसको मैंने 2 इंटू 2 to the power m minus 1 लिख सकता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो हर एक एलिमेंट को चेंज करके 2 इंटू 2 to the power m minus 1 लिख दीजिए. अब देखिए 2 इंटू 2 to the power m minus 1, 2 इंटू मीन्स यहाँ पर 2 to the power 1 है, और लॉज ऑफ इंडिसेस के हिसाब से अगर आपका बेस सेम है तो पावर में आपका एडिशन होगा. सो 1 प्लस m माइनस 1, सो 1 1 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, सिर्फ आपके पास रह जाएगा 2 to the power m. सो इसका मतलब हर एक एलिमेंट 2 to the power m हो गया. ओके, अब 2 to the power m को आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power m प्लस 1 माइनस 1, फिर 1 1 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, फिर से आपको ये वाला लौट के आ जाएगा. सो यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस मैट्रिक्स लाइक दिस वे, 2 to the power m plus 1 minus 1 and all the elements will be same. So now this result is true for m plus 1, क्योंकि आपका जो फाइनल मैट्रिक्स आपके पास जो दिया हुआ था, जो गिवन मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ था, उसमें आपका क्या था, 2 to the power n minus 1 था. इसका मतलब कोई भी एक नंबर के लिए अगर ये मैट्रिक्स सेटिस्फाई करेगा तो उसका हर एक एलिमेंट 2 to the power दैट नंबर माइनस 1 होगा. और मैंने यहाँ पर n इक्वल टू m प्लस 1 लिया है, इसीलिए 2 to the power m प्लस 1 माइनस 1. सो दिस सेटिस्फाइड. सो हेंस बाय मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन रिजल्ट इज ट्रू फॉर n बिलोंग्स टू n. Now next, sum number 35. In 35 there will be two problems. So here I am going to solve the first one. Second one will be as same as the first one. So I hope you can solve it. So here in sum number 35 find a 2 cross 2 B matrix such that this one equal to this one. So B is a 2 cross 2 matrix, that means there will be 4 elements. So here let A, B, C, D are the 4 elements. And this matrix multiply with this one, you will get A plus B, this one and this one. And right hand side you have 6 into I2, that means 6 0 0 6. So now whenever you compare these two matrix, first you will get A plus B equal to 6, and here minus 2A plus 4B equal to 0. So from that minus 2A equal to minus 4B, that means 2A equal to 4B, then A equal to 2B. If A equal to 2B, then this one will be 3B, because 2B plus B, 3B equal to 6, then B equal to 2 and A equal to 4. Now next thing, you have to find out the value of C and D. So as here C plus D equal to 0, then C equal to minus D, and minus C plus 4D equal to 6. So as here C equal to minus D, so 2D plus 4D equal to 6, then D equal to 1, then C equal to minus 1. Okay, so then the matrix B will be as A, B, so that means 2, 4, then C, D, C here minus 1 and D equal to 1. So this is your answer. Now the last one, sum number 38. मैंने यहाँ पर सम नंबर 36 और 37 को स्किप किया है, क्योंकि देखिए सम नंबर 38 जैसे मैंने सॉल्व किया है, यहाँ पर सम नंबर 36 और 37 सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, अब हर एक प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व नहीं किया जा सकता है, इसीलिए मैंने स्किप करके 38 यहाँ पर कर दिया. आप इसको अच्छी तरह से समझ लीजिए, इसी हिसाब से आप 36 और 37 इजीली सॉल्व आउट कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके, so now sum number 38. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 38, find the matrix A where 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4a multiply with this one. So first thing you have to find out that the order of these two matrices. So here the first one, the order of this matrix, that is 3 cross 2, and second one here is 3 cross 3. Okay, that means the matrix of A. First you have to find out the order of this matrix. So as A matrix multiply with this one and give result as 3 cross 3, that means definitely here these two will be equal, because if the column of the first matrix not equal to row of the second matrix, then you cannot multiply these two matrix. So if this one equal to 2, then this one equal to definitely 2. And as the result is 3 cross 3, so here is 3, then there should be also 3. So in this way you can first find out the order of the matrix. Because if you cannot find out the order of the matrix, then you cannot put the elements in the matrix. So as here 2 cross 3, then there will be 2 row and 3 column. So you can just write down here A, B, C, D, E, F. First row, second row, first column, second column, third column. I hope you can understand. Okay, now you have to multiply this matrix with this one. So 2A minus D, 2B minus E, 2C minus F. Similarly A, B, C, the next one minus 3A plus 4D, minus 3B plus 4E, minus 3C plus 4F. Now if you compare these two matrices, so here A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2, C equal to minus 5. That means the first row, you get the value of the first row. Now you have to find out D, E, F. As here 2A minus D equal to minus 1, A equal to 1, then from that D equal to 3. It's very easy. 2B minus E equal to minus 8. As B equal to minus 2, so E equal to 4. Next, last one, 2C minus F equal to minus 10. As C equal to minus 5, so F equal to 0. Then the required matrix equal to 1, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 4, 0 is your answer.